Not doing anything.
How much weight do you guys have on you?
I have 57. Go to bar
Hey.
now?
Here,
Hey.
I'll buy. Here, buy that.
What the frick is that?
No,
What?
I'm
You
not
have
going.
your-
I don't care.
Your gloves have that.
I know.
Go find Justin Bieber.
Oh my goodness.
And the day Josh goes out.
Hey, when it's hologram.
Hey, look, Bert. Hey, you want to be covered by Justin Bieber?
No, because he's
Hey,
gonna.
look at butts.
Oh my God, yes.
You want Justin Bieber crap? Here, put your Justin Bieber crap in there.
More like vomit. What the heck is that? Oh, walking there. Here. Oh, I should get that from my sister's part. Hate it.
Too small hands. Hey, look, it's this kid again.
Is it the same people?
Yes.
It is?
Oh, yes.
Hey, look, Vinny, that's your brother's room.
Really? Oh.
Oh, that's his room.
Yes.
Stop. I think those risers are in the middle.
Hey,
What?
I
So
got it
guys
on
don't look
video.
at them all day?
all of them.
Here's Josh, look. Josh, you're loud.
Didn't do anything. Nothing there. Oh yes. It's
Wrong way.
Wait.
I'm looking at the new pic.
Friday the 13th. Yes.
There's your little wing. Once you go purple, you never go black.
What?
Back. Once you go purple, you never go back. I say go black.
Paper Jams microphone. Look at that. I have this.
Okay.
I'm not even joking. I have this. I bought it.
You still recording?
Yeah. 247. 253.
Hey, you want some more gloves?
Lil Wayne t-shirt. Definitely.
I have a lot of those.
Hey, here, Josh. Want more of them?
Oh.
What's the piece of Jeff? And put it on the bottom of my shoe. Put it on the bottom of my shoe.
You want that?
Leave it alone. That's why they're covered. And that was your brother's nails.
In 3 minutes and 32.
X wipes a lot.
He's a senior.
She doesn't do anything bad. Most of the time. I was listening to some music. It's like,
My brother got in trouble before because he stole parts of the computer. Because he's in his club and he stole parts. And he got detention and he got suspended for a couple days.
He stole.
Mm-hmm.
what's his face up? Jeff's getting in trouble. Reese. Well, he took it too far and he slapped him super hard. And Reese told the principal and the people in the back that are involved with him.
So we get hurt.
No. They're going over
I can't do this. I can't hold this.
Oh, God.
Hey, do you want to hold this for a minute?
Hold on.
This?
Yes.
Anita, there's you.
Anita, it's your rep. It's Rusty. Just
He was nice.
Huh?
I'm
Monster.
good with this.
Just throw it away. There's a garbage over there. And over there.
See anything.
Let's go. Oh, come on.
It's the monster. Dun, dun,
Part
dun, dun,
two?
dun, 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 dun.
Part two.
Part 2.
There's a garbage can over there.
I just said that, didn't I?
What?
Hey Josh, go in the arcade and dance. See if you can beat our records.
What's your record 0?
Maybe. Your game is on. The game is on. Come on. Look, Josh is still.
We should play this.
We're in the arcade again.
What is this? Push the button.
Oh god.
What was that?
I got a bad whiff of monster.
I'm doing this.
Will you get me something? Because you didn't get me anything at DC?
You can get anybody anything in DC does.
Except for your girlfriend. It smells. Holy shit. What flavor is that?
Things at school.
What flavor is that?
Normal one.
Oh god.
I'm going for that watch. Let's go. I have no grill here. I'll waste all my money here. Was it Josh?
Yeah.
Josh? Me?
I know. You got feathers.
Don't drop. Hey! How long have we been waiting?
6 minutes.
Stagger! Go in!
Go out.
Punch it. You better get me something. I missed. Where am I aiming? Wait.
Oh.
What the heck was that? MP3 back there. No, MP3.
If you get it, can I have it?
Oh, no.
Penguin earrings. Grab them. I know you love me.
As a friend.
As a friend, yeah. Okay.
I'm just going random. You!
Oh. Here, give me some money. I bet you I'll get something. How much is it, Eric?
50 cents.
You said that last. Holy frick, your hands are cold.
From this.
Let me smell it.
Just burp. You should be like, It smells horrible when she burps.
It does.
Lunch?
Oh yeah.
I sold mine. I sold mine for like $7.
Hate you. What was that? You heard a puke? What do you want?
I meant to talk, but I burped. How much money was wasted in this? A lot.
I only put $1. Don't I get another turn? Yeah.
Go where there's a lot of stuff.
Like over here?
Yeah.
Go for something now. You have no time left.
Oh, I didn't know you were timed. Not my lane, I'm not. Oh.
This is almost gone. That was hard. The dance thing. I need to pull my pants up. I can't burp good. He's trying again.
Oh, my finger. Frick, it bit me.
I tried doing that.
I don't even know what it is.
I don't know what you do or what. I think you just press the button and you get something. I could puke right now if I wanted to. I'm able to.
You get what?
I'm able to puke right now.
What time is it?
This is over 10 minutes.
It's Lexi.
Oh.
Sorry, I don't feel good.
No.
Oh well.
If anybody pukes, I'm puking.
Everyone will be puking then.
If I get it, I just have to move it over.
You spent like over
I'm going
like
for that.
a lot of money there.
Put in the other one, dummy.
This is my
You
second.
need to put more stuff in there so it'll be easier. Go for stuff over there.
Look out, look out.
Go, meh. What are you trying to get?
Get it. You gonna miss.
Oh, wait on. Hi. I think I'm gonna cut it.
And it's Josh again. Yeah, look, I told
you
you
were
he
right.
does the jet thing. Yeah.
I barely burped.
Sid the kid. Hey, will you buy me a shirt that says Property of Sidney Crosby? Or Crosby Crew?
Not another buying thing for anybody.
Let's split it in two movies.
Oh yeah, you can see me.
Hey, I know someone that would wear that.
Who? Dom?
No. His name is Nate. Not no. Nate Ratcliffe. He was at my birthday party. He was the one with the black
How much
eye.
money they ordered? Why are you so close? Kate, these remind me of you.
Yeah. How much are they? I don't know.
I can look on my camera.
7:30. Oh, we have to go eat.
Oh yeah.
55 bucks. Okay. Oh, we have to go eat.
Really?
Yeah, we're leaving in half an hour.
Well, let's go, go.
Oh yeah, I have to call my mom at 6:30.
Oh, now.
I am. Oh, here, come on.
Yeah, let's go see the sticks, aren't
I am. Come on. Hi. It's 7:30. We're at Dick's. Yeah, we're at Dick's with Josh. We're looking at the sticks. He wants a stick. Hey, look, they have hockey tape here. Come here. Oh no, there's no sticks in this. Alright, well, we're gonna go eat in a little bit. Alright. Bye.
Is this fiberglass or wood? That's a trick.
This is wood. This is fiberglass. This is wood.
This is fiberglass.
Hey, look, this looks like
I'm saving this.
memory. Yeah, give it to Lexi.
I'll give it to Lexi.
Here, take the camera. You can turn it off now.
I know.
Find your new hockey stick.
You hit it off.
No.